Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel rksoftacademy. So today I am in front of the camera. Okay, so I was excited and I was thinking that when I made today's video I will be in front of camera so that you can view me also with the video, right? So in this today's video tutorial session I'll discuss a new topic also, and who are watching this tutorial channel new, my video tutorial channel rksoftacademy. So whoever watching my tutorial channel new, for them a little bit of introduction about my channel and about me. So about channel, in this video tutorial channel I provide various videos for Oracle different technologies and Unix technologies. So Oracle different technologies like Oracle SQL, Oracle PLSQL programming, Oracle forms and reports development, Oracle database administration, Oracle database performance tuning, and also Oracle forms and reports development. And for Unix development also I provide videos for Unix shell programming and shell scripting also. So as you see in my screen, there are many videos in my channel. If I go to just videos tab, you can see I already uploaded many videos for you for your learning. So I have uploaded starting from SQL, that is structured query language. So who want to learn SQL from the beginning, you can start from learning from my channel, and I have uploaded many videos for SQL. As you see in my screen, I just scrolling over my screen down, and you can see here various videos for SQL. Yes, it is coming. So and also yes, this is coming PLSQL part. Yes, so yes, so these are various videos for SQL. As you see in my screen, DBMS concept, starting from DBMS concept, introduction to DBMS. There are two parts. Then constraint, what is the constraint in Oracle. Then SQL different topics are there. Then various advanced topics on PLSQL programming. As you see in my screen, I'll just not read all the things because it will take time. And there are various other videos like other tricky questions and answers. I have separated each video for each topic, and various videos for Oracle interview questions and answers. And I'll tell you, I have uploaded this video from my interviewing experiences. Okay, so you can just see in my screen there are various videos for different Oracle interview questions and answers. You can just watch all these videos one by one. And there are various videos for Oracle database administration and Oracle forms and reports development, as you see in my screen, and also Oracle database administration and performance tuning. And so just watch all the videos from starting, and if you know already SQL, you can start from PLSQL part. So just whatever video you watch, just watch from the beginning to the end so that you can understand it well. And I try to explain each topic in each video. I have explained one topic, and I have tried to explain in easy and understandable way, so that you can after watching my video you can understand it the topic well and in detail with hands-on practical also. Okay, so each video I have explained the topic with hands-on practicals. So whatever video you watch, just watch from beginning to the end so that you not miss anything. Okay, so that is about my channel and about me. My name is Rabin, and I have total of 17 plus years of experiences working with Oracle different technologies, as I already said. And currently I am a senior Oracle consultant, I am a technical and corporate trainer, and I am an interviewer. So I have been working with Oracle and Unix technologies over 17 plus years in different MNC companies. And now I am providing training last 10 years for different Oracle and Unix technologies. As I already told you, I providing training for SQL, that is structured query language. I provide training for PLSQL programming, and I provide training for Oracle forms and reports development. I provide training for Oracle database administration, performance tuning, and Oracle forms and reports development. and also Unix shell programming and scripting. So if after watching my videos in this tutorial channel, this all these videos are free for you, for your learning. And if you think that you need a separate training, you need a separate training session from me, you can just join my training, any online training session. I provide this training on online interactive training sessions, all these training sessions are online, so you can join my online training sessions on each of the module, like SQL or PLSQL programming or database administration or database performance tuning or Oracle forms and reports development or Unix sales programming or scripting. So you can join my online training session also if you thought that if you think that you need more expertise, or you need a regular practice, or you need in-depth knowledge of these topics or these modules. And if you feel that you are also working in some technology but you are switching to a Oracle but you are not known to Oracle, just you can join my online training session. And if you are working also in the same technology like Oracle but you feel that you are not properly working well in your organization, or you are just or you are if you are a fresher, all candidates are welcome to my to join my online session. So there are my contact details in each video in the description section below. Just see the description section in each video. There is my contact details, my WhatsApp number, and you can just call me in that number or WhatsApp me in that number, so that I can reply on your message or whatever you have query. I will give the your details, okay, whatever details you need, okay. So to join that, this is the process, and after completing a short process you can join just directly in my online training session. So this is the thing, and today I'll discuss about one new topic, and this topic is sometimes you seems easier but sometimes maybe tricky. Interviewer maybe asks this question also, and I have I already said that I am taking interviews for many MNC companies, and I'm providing training also the new joinees for many MNC companies, new employees of various MNC companies. I am providing training there to them for various Oracle and Oracle and Unix technologies, all these technologies. So I have also I am providing I have been taking interviews for new recruitment of different MNC companies, and from my interviewing experiences I have shared all these videos, whatever the interview questions and answers, and I see that just wait a second, I have a call. Just I'm pausing this video. After that I will come back. Yes, what I was talking about, the interview question and answers. You already, I have told that I have uploaded many interview questions and answers from my experiences of interviewing experiences of 6 years almost, for recruiting various employees in many various MNC companies. So you can just watch out the videos, and today I'll just starting my session. So today's topic is difference between anonymous block and named PLSQL block. Okay, so what are the differences between anonymous block and named PLSQL block? So this is sometimes a tricky questions, and this is maybe seems sometimes easier, but I asked this question, but many candidates I found that they are not able to answer properly. So I'll I thought that I discuss here, and so that you can or you can just understand it well, and you are not fall in that position. Okay, so what is the difference between anonymous block and named PLSQL block? So if you heard about PLSQL, if you just know some programming, if you have done some programming in PLSQL or PLSQL, you know that PLSQL is a procedural language, and it is the extension of SQL, and there are two types of block. So in PLSQL, everything have been executed, or have been whatever task we can do, whatever programming we can do in a programming, we can do in a block structure. So PLSQL is a block structure programming. So here anonymous block, what is the anonymous block? So anonymous block means which block has no name. So whatever the PLSQL block which has no name, anonymous block is no name. Okay, no name. So if I write some block which has no name, and this is called anonymous block. And whatever the named PLSQL block, named PLSQL block are like procedures, functions which has a name. Okay, so the block, the PLSQL block which has a name, that is called the named PLSQL block, and the PLSQL block which does not have a name, we can just execute it at once, and we call it anonymous block. And there is other differences also. I'll tell you other differences. Just I'll go to the practical thing. I'll show you what is the anonymous block, how it is how it works, and what are the named PLSQL block, and how it works. Okay, so named PLSQL block, I am just writing here named PLSQL block, that is procedures functions. Okay, functions. Okay, or these are called sub programs, or these are called also sub programs, PROGRAMMES. Okay, so okay, fine. So I'll now just I'll go to my SQL prompt. So here is my SQL prompt, and come here. Yes, so in here SQL prompt, I can write anonymous block in any SQL environment or PLSQL environment also. So I am writing here some anonymous block, some programming which is a anonymous block. So let's say I'll write a program for adding two numbers. Okay, make it simple, and you can make any logic by this structure. Okay, so first I have to write declare section. So declare, this is the structure, block structure of PLSQL programming. So declare, and I am declaring two variables as number. So I am taking a as number, and I am initializing the variable as 4. Okay, and next I'm taking a second number, second variable, that is also a number, and this is I am taking 6, right? And I'll store this result in the result variable, which is a number also. So I am taking a variable called result, and I'm just giving the data type as number. Okay, and here I'll start begin section. So PLSQL block has declared begin and end, must have 3 sections, declare, begin and end, but declare is optional. Begin and end and exception section, there is a exception section in between begin and end. Okay, I'll go later. So after begin I'll write result, result, result. So result is equal to a plus b. Okay, so I'll take the sum of a plus b, and here I'll print the result. Okay, so whatever that command is, print command is here, PLSQL is dbms output dot put underscore line. So dbms output dot output underscore line. Okay, so I am writing sum equal so I'm writing result or result. Okay, so now okay, so I am writing a exception section here. Exception, this is the section in PLSQL block. So when others, I am writing an exception others, then I am just giving here a dbms output. I can message by dbms output dot put underscore line, or I am just doing nothing here. I am just null, I am giving here null. So I am closing the program by end. So let's run it. So I am getting the sum equal 10, so it is running successfully and PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Okay, so this is the one time execution. So this is the called anonymous block, which is one time execution, and each time you execute it will be compiled. Okay, so this is for anonymous block. And now I'll discuss about what is named PLSQL block or procedure or function. Okay, so I'll write a procedure for this for the same program. So let's I have to write one procedure to get the sum of two numbers like this. So I am writing create procedure create procedure result. I am give the name as result, as I am writing here as, and I'll declare the variable the same. So I'm just copying the same thing here. So let's copy here. Okay, and I'm copying the same thing here, and okay, just copying here, and the result. Okay, and okay, fine. And then begin, I'm writing begin, and I'm copying the same thing. Okay, and then dbms output dot put underscore line, and okay, so yes, this is the actually sometimes it happens in SQL prompt. So just I'm going to editor. So now dbms output dot put line, and sum, the same thing I'm writing sum equal and result. Okay, and just semicolon, and here end, I am writing end. Okay, and before end I am writing exception. Okay, exception. So when exception, it will not show anything. So when others then null, just I'm writing here null, or I can put here any message, my defined message by dbms output or dot put underscore line. Okay, so now what I am doing is I am creating a named PLSQL block, that is procedure. So create procedure name as a b, that is same thing. Result is this, and okay, let's see, let's run it and we'll check then. So what it is showing, result as okay, maybe some okay, the result I have declared, result result I have declared here, and what is it showing, name already used by, name already used. Okay, name already used. Fine. Okay, actually variable already used, so I am just writing result 2. So result 2, and there is result 2. Okay, same variable I cannot use again. Now existing object Okay, name already. Okay, fine. Actually what it is happened is result is already one procedure is existing procedure. So result of sum, I can write this like this. So I have a procedure also existing that is named as result. So I am just altering the name, and now see the procedure created. Okay, so here you will not get the output directly because I am creating a procedure and it is stored as a database object, and here I am coming. So another difference is in anonymous block, it is compiling and executing, and then it will not saved in the database. But in case of procedure, it will compile and execute and it will save in the database, and so we will use it later. But we cannot use anonymous block later. We have to write again and again for the same thing, or maybe different thing. So whenever I'll create a procedure for the same task or same work, I will create a procedure, I'll save it in the database, and procedure and function saved in the database. This is called stored procedure or stored function. So once it is created, it will be used later and it will be saved in the database. So how I can get the result? I can get the result by exec and the procedure name. What is the procedure name? Procedure name is this, and let's see, this is the result is showing fine, right? So this procedure is successfully completed and I will get the result. So I think you have understood all the explanation about anonymous block and anonymous block and named PLSQL block, and I have explained it with the difference as well as in hands-on practicals. I think this video was informative, and if you think that this video was useful for your learning, and this video was informative, and this video have added some value to your learning, just give a like to this video, and also subscribe my channel. Whoever new visitor here and who are watching this video new, just subscribe my channel hitting the notification bell so that you can just get the notification for my next video. And also share this video or share this YouTube channel name with your friends, colleagues, and other who you know, so that they can also come to this channel, watch the videos and learn from my video and grow their skill and make their skill also. Okay, so that's all. And if you are interested to join my online training session, any of the training session for Oracle or APA, Oracle technology or Unix technology, you can just contact over me as given in the description section. Just message me or call me in that number, but do not call, do not make a WhatsApp call. Just call this number, or you can just WhatsApp me in this in that number. Also there is a email ID mentioned. You can just email me about the joining process, what are the joining process, and what are the details for joining. And after a short process, you can just join on my online training session, any of my online training session. So that's all for this today's video session. I think you have enjoyed, and I come today in front of you, and I have enjoyed a lot, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.